Shravan. We are the students of 11th Humanities. We are here with our project on the typewriter, which is given by our respected teacher, Ms. Shweta Singh. The first attempt to make a typewriter was done by Henry Hill in 1740, but he was failed. The second attempt to make a typewriter was done by W.A. Wood. He made a machine that is known as Wood typographer, but he did not make a perfect typewriter. The third successful attempt was done by Christopher Lantham Salt, and he made a successful practical typewriter. Thank you.